y'all. This is that honey I've been telling you that Pinchy dropped off to me. Thanks a bunch, Pinchy. I'm gonna turn it into something great. Couple things. First thing I'm gonna make is Smurfberry moonshine, which is basically blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and pomegranate juice mixed together, made with mead. Then I'm gonna make a mead, also Smurfberry mead. If I have any left after that, I'll probably make another kind of mead with it. But this is a really good honey. This is a star thistle, I think. Star thistle, little purple flower. Star thistle honey. Tastes totally different than any other honey you've probably ever had. It's totally different from buying honey in the store. Some stores might have that, but not no stores around here. This is really good. I'm going to show you the next step. I'll get you a close-up of this honey. Let's get started. 35 pounds of honey, 7 pounds of blueberries, 1.5 pounds of blackberries, 1.5 pounds of raspberries, and a thing of pomegranate juice. Hope it turns out good. Put 3 gallons of water in it. Hopefully that's enough to cook it up. I got 10 gallons over there. So when this is done, we'll pour it in there and I'll show you. Alright, so I did have to add a little bit of sugar to get it where I needed it. Its starting gravity before I added sugar was at 1.050. So I added a little bit to get it down to there. I wanted it at 1.080, but I'll take 1.070. That's fine. Now I'm gonna add the yeast. Let her sit. Put some Daity in there. Stir it up. Put the lid on. It's cold outside, so I got an aquarium heater in here. I'm gonna stir it up. Put the lid on it. Let it do its thing. She's ready to run. So I'm gonna clean it up and transfer it to my keg. That's what it looks like after I cleaned it up. Now let's move this into that. All right, so I got most of it put in there. I'm gonna add what's left into my thumper. So I'm gonna get some more of that flavor coming through. I'll show you. All right, I got about a quart of 80 proof moonshine and a big old scoop of that honey in this half-gallon jar. I'm also gonna add it to this thumper with all that wine. There she is, running her off. All right, I got 2 gallons and 3 quarts. So there's 11 quarts out of that. But I put a lot in that. There was about 14 gallons I put in my keg. And then I put about 2 gallons, there's about 15, 16 gallons of mash total. So put about 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons in my thumper. And I put a quart of 80 proof and some honey in my thumper. You guys seen that. But started out at 160. And I ran it down to about 120. And then after that, I just ran a little tails out of it. Might use it for something else, but it's good liquor. It's an expensive batch of moonshine. It smells all fruity and honey. Oh, that's good, man. I really like that. That's tasty. It's a little sweet. You taste that honey, and you taste all them berries. It's so good. I really like it. I'm gonna proof this all down to 100, and I'm gonna bottle it. I'll show you. I got some cool stickers. They're just like the other ones from the Smurfberry Mead. This is Smurfberry Moonshine. Same concept, different yeast. Ran through a still. I'll show you